worked on a project which is a virtual pet care system using the MERN stack, and it was a great learning experience for me as a student. I used React.js for the front end to build a simple and a UI where users can manage pet details, set reminders, and view community posts. And for the backend, I use a Node.js to handle the server-side logic, along with the Express.js as the framework. And for the back and for the database, I use the MongoDB. So first I'm logging out, and this is a landing page, and I named it as a Fluffy. So I'm clicking on a get started. So here I'm giving my login credentials. So it logs in. So these are my pets. So I'm clicking on my pet, one of my pet, which is a Byra. So you can also edit my pet details here. Directly saves into the database. And these are the notifications where if people are crossing the if people are getting overdue vaccinations, so you get to find reminders here. And these are the today's reminder. And these are the activity and the routine planner. So for suppose if I click on training, and I made him train for 20 minutes today, and I'm clicking on the login activity. So here you guys can see the minutes has increased for this month, and the day streak has shown here, right? And if I'm clicking on the manage expenses and analytics, and these are the pie chart and the graph shown here, and this is the expense table. And if I say I took him to the veterinary, and I bought him some medicines. So let's suppose say it cost me 300, and on today which is a Dolo tablet, suppose. So I'm saving the expenses. So here you can see the pie chart has been changed, and the expenses has increased. And here you guys can also track the history where there's a Dolo here, right here, which cost me 300, right? And also I can delete it. If I'm deleting it, it again shows me the previous cost, right? And I'm going back to the dashboard, and these are the reminders. If I'm clicking on this reminder, the notification has been enabled, and I'm keeping the reminder after 1 minute, which is alarm check. And let's suppose I go sleep. I submitted the alarm. So after 1 minute, it's supposed to ring. So let's see.
Reminder, alarm check.
You guys can see, right? And also got the notification right here on my device. These are the vet visits where people can add their visits when they took to the veterinary hospital. And I'm adding the weight is 30 kilo, and not today. Let's say for 01 in 2026, right? After 1 month. So I'm submitting the changes. And after then, if I go to the health analysis, and I can see that on the 21st of January, the weight should be 30, right? It has decreased. And these are the medications. So people can just keep it for the reminders, and they would get the notifications out of it. And these are the vaccinations. So if the vaccinations gets overdue, so people can see the notification right here. These are the overdue vaccinations, and this is not the overdue vaccination. It's for tomorrow, so it's not showing the error there or any kind of notification there, right? And this is my profile. This is my profile. So these are my pets that I post their photos, and this is the community which works same as Instagram or any Pinterest feed. So users just can create post based on their pets, and another users just like and can also comment here. So I'm just clicking on profile. For suppose if I'm adding a pet for Tutu, which is a bird, and so Tutu is happy, and this is the Tutu. Tutu, and I'm just marking it, and you guys can see this is the post that I've posted just now. So you can also like and the comment even from the different account. I'll just show I'll just show it. Right. And this is the find service where people can find the nearest service from their location. And if you click on the vet lines, it is scanning the areas, and these are the nearest veterinary hospitals that is available from by clicking on the get directions. That's how it works. And this is the pharmacies. Same goes with the pet parks and the groomings. Yes. And after community, this is the chat section. There here I use the socket IO for the real-time applications. Let's if I say hello here and I'm logging out from this account, and I'm logging through different account. This goes, so you can see hello here, right? Mm, so let's suppose we delete the account, right? It back with another name. Yes, the registration is successful. So if I try to log in here, it gives me error because I have to verify my email. Going to mail, and then to verify it, I got the mail, clicking on it, has been verified successfully. So I got the message, and I'm trying to log in it now. You guys can see that my account has been logged in, and this is how it works. And if I'm trying to add any pet, say this pet name as so on maybe recently is a male, it is a dog, and the breed is a Pomerian. Let's say you guys can see the profile. So here I can adjust the reminders and also the health analysis and the find service. This is how my application works. This is a toggle button and I